The connections from the outside connector that I ran through the old vent that was for the lead acid batteries. Since we changed to lithium, we took the vent out, and I just used that convenient opening to run the power connector to the negative bus bar that we put in, positive over to the positive bus bar that we put in, and then on the outside it gave us a jack that we can plug in either our solar panel that we're running now to keep the battery topped off, or I've got another jumper that I plug into that if I want to run a small air compressor or charge a 12-volt appliance, and it becomes very convenient. This little 100-watt Renogy solar panel comes with charge controller and the brackets. It's 100 watts. It's not anything drastic, but it does keep the batteries topped off while the Brinkley is under the pole barn.